Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux in your computer using a bootable pen drive or a flash device or a USB device, whatever you say. In the previous video I have shown how to make a bootable USB device. So now let's start by going to BIOS menu. Here you have to set boot mode to legacy mode as it only enables USB device. Otherwise, if you set it to UEFI mode, our USB device bootable device will not be enabled. So firstly you have to disable UEFI and select legacy, and you have also to disable secure mode. I have in boot priority order you have to select USB HDD at first, generate flash disk drive, and exit saving the changes. This menu will appear, and you have to go to the install and click it there. You can choose whatever language you want. I'm choosing English here, and United States, American English. And guys, you have to have an internet access to fully install Kali Linux on your computer. Otherwise, a group bootloader and other types of required functions are not installed if you haven't an internet access. So try to be connected to the internet. Here it will ask you to select one of the interfaces from which you have to be linked with the internet. As I am linked with the wireless WLP2S0 interface, so I'll select that. After selecting, you have to enter your password. That it will be connected to the internet. You can select your host name. I'm entering default. And you can set root password here for the Kali Linux. And here is the most important part. You have to partition your SSD, or select the partition where you have to install a Kali Linux. So I'm going to manual method, and here my two partitions I have. One is primary NTFS and another also primary NTFS file system. We need external 3 or external 4 file system for a for Kali Linux. So first we have to go to this partition and we have to set it to use. We have to set our mount points, mount. I have to resize the partition. Select yes. I am resizing it to 100 GB. I have to select here 100 GB. You have to select at least 40 or 50 GB Gs to install Kali Linux, otherwise it will not function properly. So here are 3 partitions and this is now partitioned till now, so I have to partition it. New partition size, you have to leave 1 or 2 gigs as per as your RAM for Linux swap area. So I am entering here 288 Gs. I am entering here 288 Gs. You can set it is here it is amount of sum, down setting of the partition. So here is 2 GB left for Linux swap. We can create new partition size 2 GB, primary usage. We can select your swap area and done setting of the partition. After this we have created 3 partitions of 4 partitions of our hard disk drive, and here they are. You have to select mount point. You cannot have 2 mount same mount points for two partitions. So I'm having one root mount point for one and home mount point for another. And now click finish partition and write changes to text. Then select OK here. I change yes. It will take some time to install the system. Here it is installing the system. It will take 5 or 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to install it. After installing the system, I'll be right back. After this menu will arrive. It says to install the supplement software that is included in the USB flash drive. You have to use network meter to install that. So you have to select yes. As do not have, as I have not any proxies, so I will continue with nothing. After this it will retrieve the information from network internet. It takes you have to use a network mirror to get properly installed system. As I have not a steady internet connection, it failed, but you have to have an steady internet connection to get properly installed system. Install grub bootloader also. And you have to select master boot for dual boot. And this is the main part. If you have to, as we have to boot our hard disk drive, so we have to select dev SDA, not dev SDB. So it is the device for bootloader installation, so we have to select this. And that's it. It has finished the installation. It will take some time, and after that it will restart. Before restarting, you have to unplug your USB drive. Before restarting, you have to unplug your USB device so that it is not again booted from USB. It takes some time to remove live packages. After that it will restart, and you will see a grub boot menu. It appears like this. It has asked which to select: Windows 7, Kali Linux, or advanced option for Kali Linux. Windows 7 loader. So I am selecting here Windows Kali GNU Linux. Hooray! The installation is success. Thank you. Stay tuned and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.